In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a Canva newsletter in your email. Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to embed a Canva newsletter directly in your email. What we're really doing is creating a clean, clickable link to your Canva newsletter so readers can open the full design in their browser. Most email apps don't fully embed interactive designs, so a well-labeled link is the most reliable way to share it quickly and professionally. First, open your newsletter design in Canva. Give it a quick check for typos, dates, and links inside the design. When you're happy with it, go to the top right corner and click Share. In the Share options, choose Link, then click Copy Link or Get Shareable Link. If you see a setting for who can view, make sure it's set so anyone with the link can open it. That prevents access issues for your recipients and ensures a smooth experience. Next, open your email client, Gmail, Outlook, or whichever you use, and start composing a new email. Write your subject line and the body of your message as you normally would. Keep it short and clear, and set the expectation for what the reader will get, like a brief teaser of the newsletter's highlights. This helps improve open and click rates because people know exactly what they're clicking. Now, choose how you want people to click through. You can link a short call to action, such as read the newsletter, or you can link an image like a thumbnail of your design. You can even hyperlink your logo if that fits your layout. Highlight the text or click the image you want to link, then select the Insert Link icon in your email editor. Paste the Canva newsletter link you copied earlier into the URL field, and confirm to apply the link. Avoid pasting the long, raw link. A clean hyperlink looks more professional and keeps your message tidy. Before you send it to your entire list, send a test email to yourself. Open it on desktop and mobile, click the link, and confirm it loads the correct Canva page. If your email client shows a preview, make sure it looks clean and doesn't break your layout. If needed, adjust the wording of your call to action so it's clear and inviting. And that's how you embed a Canva newsletter in your email. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.